Today we're going to talk about SmallRig and the different connection methods that they offer to help you and your customer attach the different accessories to your camera cage. All right, I guess we'll go ahead and get started. The first attachment method we're going to talk about is the 1/4-20. You'll notice on all the SmallRig cages that you'll have multiple places to attach that way, up on the top and on the sides. This is also how the camera is going to attach to the cage. All of the SmallRig cages will come with an Allen wrench to help you secure down your camera. The 1/4-20 is commonly used for monitor mounts, some LED lights, and microphones. It does take a little bit more effort and time to attach and disassemble. This is going to be perfect for the individuals that want to keep certain accessories on and keep that setup consistent and unchanging. The next attachment type we're going to talk about is the cold shoe. Most of the SmallRig cages will already have that built into the cage itself. If not, they do have different accessories, or if you wanted to have multiple points to use a cold shoe accessory, they do have those attachments that we'll talk about next. You'll just slide in your accessory and tighten it down and you'll be good to go. SmallRig also offers cold shoe separately attachment pieces, so you can have multiple places on your cage to attach accessories that attach via cold shoe. This particular piece does have a locking mechanism, so you can screw that into any of the 1/4-20 ports that you see on there. And this will prevent the accessory or your light or monitor from sliding forward or backwards and sliding off of your cage. Just in case you didn't know, if you screwed it down all the way or anything like that, it moved forward and backwards, it's not going to slide out of that cold shoe attachment. Next up, we're going to talk about the Arri locking pins. This is going to be something that you will see for monitor mount attachments, and this specifically that we're showing is the magic arm. You'll see that the Arri locking pins can only be attached on certain places on the cage. You'll see there, or it'll be a 3/8 thread with 2 little circles on the side for the pin to go in. So you'll be able to screw those in and line the pins up. This will give you a little bit more security when you screw down these pieces, so they're not twisting off, or they're able to hold a little bit more weight and not be shaky or lose their position. Next, we're going to talk about the NATO rail and clamp system. A lot of the SmallRig cages will come with the NATO rail built into the side, but in case you have a cage that doesn't, you can buy these rails separately. Come in different sizes, so if you wanted to attach them to the top or the side, you have a few options. Typically you'll see these rail and clamp systems for side and top handles. Today we're going to show you how to attach a side handle using this system. The NATO system is great for attaching accessories quickly for run and gun kind of situations. You'll see the clamp there can loosen with that red lever, and the rail itself will have safety pins at the top and the bottom of the rail to prevent that from slipping off. The nice thing about the rail system too is that you can adjust your accessories anywhere on the rail that you need them to be. The last connection type that we're going to talk about is the Arri rosette. You'll typically see these with side handles or shoulder mount handles. You'll have to get the 2 receptacles to fit together. They have little teeth that can help you adjust the angle in which you attach your accessory. With this side handle, you can change the angle of that handle. If you're shooting up or down, you can change that angle to make it more comfortable holding in your hand. You can tighten that down. They'll have an inner wheel there that you can see to help you tighten down that 1/4-20 screw to attach it together. That is all the SmallRig attachments I have to show you today. We appreciate you watching, and we'll have all the products that we showed today listed in the video description below.